I will finish my homework by 8 o'clock. I will call you tomorrow. I will try my best to be on time. I will help you with your project. I will buy a new car next month. I will go to the beach this weekend. I will learn to play the guitar. I will visit my grandparents next week. Will you help me with your homework? Will you lend me a pen, please? Will you open the door for me? Will you turn off the lights when you leave? Will you pick me up from school at 3 p.m.? Will you please take out the trash? Will you bring me a glass of water? Will you help me carry these boxes? How will you prepare for the upcoming exam? How will you manage your time effectively? How will you handle stress and anxiety? How will you stay motivated and focused? How will you ensure that you get enough sleep? How will you balance your studies with other responsibilities? How will you seek help and support when you need it? How will you review and revise your notes effectively? If you study hard, I will help you with your homework. If you finish your dinner early, I will let you watch your favorite show. If you behave well, I will take you to the park. If you help me clean the house, I will get you a new toy. If you share your snacks, I will give you a hug. If you practice your piano, I will play a game with you. If you do your chores, I will read you a story. If you say please and thank you, I will give you cookies. Won't you join us for dinner? Won't you sit down and rest? Won't you help me carry this box? Won't you open the door for me? Won't you tell me what happened? Won't you stay a little longer? Won't you turn off the lights when you leave? Won't you give me a glass of water?